ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into my first impression on Amorous Intense, the new fragrance in partnership with the AI the Great from NAVITUS Parfums. If you're interested in hearing my thoughts on this fragrance, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming on the road for yo, sis. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, hey, let's get right into this. You all know, if you don't know, I've been in AI the Great's live a time or 2 or 20, 100 plus. But I have been saying everybody's been getting their fragrance and I hadn't gotten mine yet. Not that I was jealous, but I was really...
It seems that envy is my sin.
I might have been a little jealous, just a little bit. I wanted my fragrance, but I am so glad. I am so glad it is now here and I'm able to give my first impressions thought, okay? So I love to do first impressions because I love the rush of like, oh my goodness, what am I going to smell? And just, you know, just the excitement of it all. I have been dodging and ducking and diving all of the different beautiful reviews that I know have happened already. I haven't been peeping in because I just want to give you all kind of my raw feelings, okay? But let's get into it. So we have Amorous Intense. And look at this beautiful packaging. This is the same as the last packaging. It is so heavy and luxe. I mean, I said it last time. I said, sis, did you pick the biggest box and bottle? But I love it. I love it. I know that there has been so many different great thoughts on the Ambrosia Imperial. You all have loved this. I have also loved this. So I was very excited on, you know, her next line. And I've told her, like, honestly, girl, this is a gift. I don't see the numbers, but I feel it. If somebody sells out quick all the time and you can't get, you add it up. I'm not going to say anymore, but you already know. We see each other. Anyway, I was so excited, of course, to get this beauty, all right? I don't know what this smells like. I haven't heard anybody, but let's get into it, okay? And so this is the packaging. I'm sure you all have seen this a time or two because I'm late. Not my fault. It's the shipping that was late. I wanted to be part of the first one, part of the first crew. It's okay. But here it is. And when I say I'm going to keep every packaging, okay, that AI the Great comes out, I'm going to keep every packaging. Why? Because I want to. Okay, I just want to. And it's so luxe. And I love just having it presented like, and on my shelf. Like, I love this. And look, I made sure I wore my green, my little stronger shirt than that's it. Y'all don't care. Okay, so Amorous Intense. It is so pretty. So let's get into the notes though. So we have top notes, baked pear. Ooh, and you all know how I am about pear, okay? We have some pear pulp. Okay, and now look, when I think of like orange pulp, it's thick. I don't like orange pulp. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like orange pulp. I like the no pulp. I don't like to taste the orange crust. No. I want less pulp.
It says with pulp.
You like it with pulp?
Not this much. I like the one that says some pulp.
Oh, pulp. That's what the word is. Yeah. Okay. We not talking about orange pulp, sis. I'm moving on. I'm going. Almonds. I love that. Applesauce. I like some applesauce.
An applesauce. That's swell.
Okay, so that's thick, so it's gonna be heavy. So hard notes, we have rum absolute. Like good rum. Ylang, love a good ylang, the floral. Love that French coffee. Okay? Not just any coffee. Not black coffee, it's French coffee. You like what that means?
What's the fleur?
It's French coffee. And in base notes, we got cinnamon, caramel, whipped cream. Cane sugar. If you don't know, welcome. Your sis like a good cookie cutter cake. Okay. And if those that don't like all my speaking in the beginning, you can move to the end and so you can get to the point. Because I know somebody called me out last time that it took me about 10 minutes, 20 minutes to get to the point. You can scroll up and get to the point. But I'm gonna be me. So this is Amorous Intense. Let's give a first impression. Let's get the going. Woo! Yes, look at that Sprite. Sprite.
You're wasting it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, she did it again.
Another one.
Huh. Oh my goodness. Can we break out in a praise dance or something? Or the shout. We need to break out in a shout moment. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, sis. Girl, you know you got a gift. Okay? If nobody told you, girl, the gift is there. Wow, I've never smelt anything, and you all know I love a good pear. If you don't know, your sis like a good pear. But I've never smelled a pear so intense and so heavy and so thick. And I smell like the little apple, like even the appleness in this.
You all are making up words. These words you've never heard. But listen, that's not a word.
Ooh, baby. And the creaminess. This is amazing. Wow. I don't know what else to say. This is really good. Now I'm trying to get like the spice. I'm not really smelling a spice. It doesn't really give me a spice. It more so gives me a creamy feel. The apple, the pear. I don't really smell like even like a coffee roast or anything like that. Or I smell like there is like a floral, like there's a floral touch, but I don't feel like it's like a overpowering floral. I actually feel like this will be absolutely amazing for those that are like, I need a fruity fragrance that cuts through the fall winter. Like you're looking for something, you're like, I love a fruity gourmand scent, but I need something that is going to like fight down, okay, winter? This is it. Wow, girl. This is really good. Like, I got Aisha, this is really good. Go ahead, my name. Aisha, this is good, girl. It's good. It's real good. Wow. Okay, so where would I'm sorry, I'm getting like in the trance. where do I go with this? I mean, what? What are we doing here? What made you even, like, girl, you be in the spirit, like the fragrance gods of something, you know. Be just, I don't know. Somebody be whispering in your ear and just, you wake up and you're like,
I was Joan of Arc in my former life.
hair and, you know, a little bit of caramel and apple and applesauce. Like, what? Applesauce. Wow. I feel like even if you are into fragrance heavy and you have this maybe niche nose and you have this, like, you know, I don't do, you know, immature fragrances, like, this is a really great one for you to be fruity, you know, mature, but just have a little bit of a playfulness, you know, not be serious all the time. Girl, I'm mad I ain't opened this sooner. Like, when it got here, family, I love you that I waited for y'all to open this. This is good. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm trying to get through this. Okay, where would I wear this? Okay, definitely on a date. I mean, to have him in my neck. You all know I'm trying to, with the fragrance that he gonna be in my neck. Oh, he gonna be he's not gonna leave me.
You're begging me not to leave you, and I refuse to let you go.
I feel like people will be running. I don't feel like I will get a runner out of this. Okay, I've not yet. Well, I've had some head turners. I have come back, but I haven't had a runner, like, you know, track me down and run me down yet. I feel like this will have people run me down. Ooh, this is good. If you have not gotten this, put this on your wish list. Girl, I don't even know what you coming out with next. Like, well, where are we going? Well, where are we going that we've never been before? Okay, because clearly these are fragrances we've never been before. Now, let me say this. Let me say this. Of all the hair fragrances that I have, I'm trying to think. I can't compare this. This is thicker than anything I've smelt in my collection. I can't compare it to anything. So if you want me to compare this to something, I can't. I can't. I can't. What? I can't. You want me to lie? I'm not gonna lie. I can't. So if you're comparing it to something, you must have like this amazing collection. And let me know, because then I need to smell that too, because this is intense. Correct. The correct word to this. But this is like such, to me, the pear speaks louder than any other note. But it's, again, not off-putting. It's not soapy. It's not sad. Gosh, what else do y'all want me to say? Oh, maybe how does it compare? Or like, girl, you combine these together. What you really trying to do? That's actually what I want to know. Even though I don't want to be in your business like that, like, who you trying to shut down? I mean, you might as well pick out the ring. Not to say this is a love potion, but you might as well give him a hint. Because clearly you doing something. You trying to do something. This together? Oh my gosh. Like, you wouldn't stop getting compliments if you put this together. Like, I can only imagine. Dang. What else I gotta say? Nothing. I'm done. This is so good. So if you have not gotten this, and I know the price is high, right? But you all, like, this is quality. And for me, I'm going to put my coins. I don't care if it's 200, 300. Now, I am biased. Okay. Now, I am biased on anything that she come out with Whether I like it or not, I'm gonna get it. Okay, that's the bias there. Like, if I like it, great. If I don't like it, I'm still gonna have it in my collection. Let's keep it real. I'm gonna support my sis. Her. Okay. Per. Period. Per.
Period, Pooh.
The pricing, I get it. But this is quality. And I'm gonna say, we save for what we want. We spend for what we want. If you want this, just save up for it. Nobody's saying like get it right away. You know what I'm saying? It is all the way fine. And nobody's checking. Nobody better check for your boo. Tell me if they do. But anyway, you can save and get you something of quality and put in your fragrance collection and really enjoy this. So I would highly suggest, even if you see that price, I'm not sure if she has the sale still going on, but I got this, when it first came out, she had a sale. But if you see it, get it. You know what I'm saying? Again, it's of great quality, a great woman to just support all together. Support the Black queens, okay? Wherever they popping up. Click, 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 and support. Okay. Why not? Okay. This is good. Congratulations, sis. I know longevity lasts in an eternity. Cause I'm still smelling it. 20, yeah. I'm sure it lasts an eternity, and I'll come back for any other thoughts. But all the moral of the story is good. The moral of the story: add to your wish list, add to your Christmas list. Christmas is coming up. Christmas is here. Okay, y'all see these deals? Christmas is here. Okay, if you didn't know it, your sis told you it's here. Add this to all the things. She need to get this for you. They, whoever. Make sure that you subscribe. Oh, before I close out, have you gotten this? Do you plan on getting this beautiful fragrance? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know if you've gotten it, your thoughts. I'm going to go back and see other people's reviews now because if somebody said, I'm also, see, I was trying to close it out. Now, if somebody says, okay, are you going to say, yeah, I'm going to say it. If somebody says this is not good, they must hate the pair walks on because they lying.
And you said no. The lie detector determined that was a lie.
I'm still saying. Did you say it? I'm going to say it. They lying. They lying. She can't say it. Sis AI can't say it. She got to be politically correct. They lying. Okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah. Get Amorous Intense. Get Amorous Intense. Okay. We supposed to be closing out. Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.